Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 13 of the New England Farmhouse renovation. What a day it was. We were finally able to get in that support wall for the new staircase. And if you remember that old staircase, it was a very narrow, spindly, awkward thing that started right here, and it quickly spun around and threw you into the upstairs. Well, we got rid of that, and we putting in something that I designed specifically to fit in this space. And I'm calling it a serpentine stair. And it's going to be a double winder with this little flare out here at the bottom to bring you into the dining room. So it's going to take 13 steps to make it to the second floor, and it's going to start with this one wraparound step, and then 2 to get you to a 45-degree wall, and then finally you're going to take another 6 steps to get you around the double winder, and then the remainder to get you to the second floor. And look at this wide, expansive opening we have. We got the support wall in here, which meant we could cut out those remaining floor joists, and this is just going to be a huge vaulted foyer now that's going to house this staircase, and that's huge. It's not something you normally get to see in an 1880s farmhouse, for sure. And the reason we're able to take advantage of that is because the original part of the house here, which started in the living room, was added onto at a different time, and that's what amounts to the dining room now and the kitchen over there. Well, when they did that, they had the 2 roof lines that they just sort of slammed into each other, and they didn't really take any time to marry them. So we were able to put in some 2x6 supports up there and then cut off the remaining ceiling joists so that we just have this wide, expansive foyer. So this is going to be the centerpiece of the house, and it's going to be great with this staircase. And I'm really excited about this, because as a designer, as a fabricator, and a carpenter, to take something from design to visualization, and then finally to actually construct it, I mean, that's the most satisfying thing in the world. So I really hope you all stay with me as this progresses. The other thing I did want to show you too was, because we had to use this support wall to support the ceiling where we cut the joist, we had this little space here, and we determined that we were going to actually create a little nook for the refrigerator. So we pushed the refrigerator in there just to see how much space we would get, and it's a totally different feel here in the kitchen now. Because the refrigerator's in there, we've got a lot more space, and I think you guys can remember what that used to look like with the big refrigerator just sticking out. So now we're taking advantage of every little bit and piece we can. So on the inside here, where we have another little space, that's going to be a closet as we access it through the new door to the basement, which is going to be over there. So I really hope you take the time to check things out. I'm going to put in the video what the 3D rendering of the staircase is going to look like, so you guys can kind of see where we're going with that. And I hope you check out day number 14 as we finally start to build these risers up. Thanks for checking in.